Hi guys! Welcome back to my another video. This is Kuplung and today I will be doing something different. So can you hear something? And today I met a very special person after a very long years. So I had been knowing this person since I was class 9 and I met this person today and I requested that person to come over my home and have lunch together, and now we are just going to have some fun singing together. And yeah, keep watching. So bright and so lovely, guitar by Bello Naidi. In Kawukak Sama Cricket, so bright and so lovely, guitar by Bello Naidi. The faro kata makrika sudayo siyang ibagat. Sini the faro kata makrika sudayo siyang ibagat. Bisakha jalko duko nilang mga bisakha jalko duko nilama say mong nang sado funny, so bright and so lovely, guitar by Bello Naidi. Ningkabukak sama cricket, so bright and so